Welcome back to Smart Quizzer. Are you brave enough to face the Italian brain rot madness? We are back with Guess the Italian Brain Rot by Emoji. We have lined up 30 questions, and you have only 10 seconds to guess them. Before starting, please subscribe for more quizzes. Let's dive in. What's hiding here? Bribribicus. Do you know this meme? This meme is talpa di ferro. Do you know the answer? It's Macachini Bananini. What's your guess for this one? Bambini Crosini. Find the odd emoji. One of them is different. The odd one spotted here. What do you think of this one? It's Chef Crabracadabra. Any guesses for this one? Penguinelli cactusi. Which name fits here?
Octopusini zucchini.
Octopusini zucchini. Can you figure out this one? It's sahur. Who's the brain rot behind this combo? It's Karkur. What is the story behind these emojis? It's Peachy Foxellini. What in the brain rot is going on here? This brain rot is Bobrito Bandito. Can you guess this meme beast? It's a bono no shimpazi nono. What brain rot animal do these emojis hide? Gorillo, watermelon drillo. Would you rather a bonono shimpazinono or gorillo watermelon drillo? Tell your favorite brain rot in the comment below. What creature goes with this chaos? It's spaghetti toiletti. Do these emojis remind you of an animal? Bollicini Bananini. What's the oddest animal that fits here? This meme is Penguino Cocosino. Who is hiding behind these emojis? It's Rhino Toasterino. Can you guess the real name of this brain rot? This brain rot is Pipi Mango. Can you match the emoji with the brain rot? It's Paracello Limoncello. What in the brain rot is this? Tucanano bananano. Which cursed creature fits this emoji? It's Trippy Troppy. What animal do you see?
Mateo!
It's Mateo. Spot the odd Matu emoji. The odd one is here. What is the Italianist brain rot that you see here? It's Svinino Bombardino. Decode this chaos. What's the answer?
Alessio!
This brain rot meme is Alessio. What twisted creature do you see? Ecco cavallo virtuoso. Can you guess it before it disappears? It's Delphinator Motocultivator. Last question. Which emoji is not repeated? UFO emoji is not repeated. Thank you for participating in this puzzle challenge. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome quizzes and fun. See you soon.